Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS SNS to trigger data processing pipelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect AWS SNS to trigger data processing pipelines, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Simple Notification Service (SNS) dashboard. Click on the Create Topic button to start creating a new SNS topic. Choose the type of topic you need, either standard or FIFO, based on your processing requirements. Enter a name for your topic that is descriptive and easy to remember. You can also provide a display name which will be used for SMS notifications if applicable. Once you have filled out the necessary information, click on the Create Topic button to finalize the creation. Next, you need to create a subscription to this SNS topic. Click on the Create Subscription button. In the Protocol field, select the option that suits your data processing pipeline. Common options include AWS Lambda, HTTP/S endpoints, or Amazon SQS. For this guide, we will use AWS Lambda as our processing endpoint. Select AWS Lambda as the protocol and then choose your Lambda function from the drop-down list. Make sure your Lambda function is already created and capable of handling events from SNS. Click on the Create Subscription button to link your Lambda function to the SNS topic. Now, you will need to configure permissions for your Lambda function to allow it to be triggered by SNS. Go to the AWS Lambda dashboard and select your function. In the Configuration tab, click on Permissions to open the execution role settings. Edit the IAM policies to include permissions for SNS to invoke the Lambda function. You can add a trust relationship that allows SNS to invoke your function. Return to the SNS dashboard and click on the topic you created. Publish a test message by clicking the Publish Message button. Fill in the subject and message field to create a sample notification. Click on the Publish Message button to send the test notification. Monitor your AWS Lambda function logs to verify that it has been triggered. You can check the execution results in CloudWatch logs under the respective log group for your Lambda function. Adjust your Lambda function code as needed to process the data received from SNS. Repeat the process as necessary if you wish to create more topics or subscriptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.